To Gujarat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel. This is, remember, because Gujarat also is a border state. There had been a lot of speculations. There's been tension at the border, not just with Rajasthan, but also Jammu Kashmir and Gujarat. Received information on tension on border situation. I want to immediately go across to Brijesh Doshi on this. This is, remember, after all, as much the home state for Prime Minister Modi. Tell me more about this, Brijesh. Why specifically the Gujarat Chief Minister?
Definitely, Pooja, this is the home state of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Prime Minister is concerned about the yesterday's drone attack near Kutch border. Yesterday night we saw 3 drones came to the Kutch border as well, and in the early morning at 4 a.m. Near Jamnagar as well. So PM has talked about yesterday's incident, and he got the information how well prepared the Gujarat State Administration right now, and which are the steps taken by the Gujarat government for the security of the people, as well as there won't be any panic in the people, and Gujarat Chief Minister has briefed the Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the various steps taken, as well as how well the government has prepared for any kind of situation, worst situation, to reach out to the worst situation and to safeguard the people of the state. So these were the informations given by the Gujarat Chief Minister. Just a few minutes ago, this telephonic conversation was done between Prime Minister of India and Chief Minister of Gujarat.
All right, stay on with me, Brijesh, because as the images that are coming in, remember that there's been a blackout as a precautionary measure in Gujarat border districts amid the India-Pakistan situation. So a quick question from you there, Brijesh. What is the border status right now when it comes to Gujarat? Because the reason that Prime Minister Modi is ensuring he's in direct contact with the Chief Minister is to ensure that tensions do not prevail. In fact,